Video for you guys, showing you guys how to do the 3D shadow lights. I just picked up a TLX A-Spec, so I'm going to show you guys the process of how to do it, how simple and easy it is, and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the door light here. You put a little flathead, pop this out. Okay, you disconnect the connector here, press on the tab. You take the new one, comes with it. Make sure these prongs are straight so they go directly into the socket here. Make sure that they're straight and they go right in. You just slide it right in like so. You can see the A-Spec lights up on my hand. I'm gonna show you guys a night video to show you guys what it looks like at night before I upload it. And then you just take it and just put this side in and then just push it up, and that's it. You're done. That's how quick and easy it is. They also have the regular Acura one too. I'll put a link down under the video description for that, for the regular Acura and this A-Spec one. Alright, just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. The same thing you did on this side is the same thing you do on the other side, on the other door. Alright, peace. Alright, I got a catching a video showing you guys what the A-Spec look like. This is what it looks like on the ground. And that's it. The link will be down in the bottom of the video description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.